Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is completely on the product review and I shall be reviewing this product from Good Vibes. It's a lime and basil deep cleansing scrub which I have recently purchased it from purple.com, and this is the packaging, a lovely packaging, and it's a 50 gram, no paraben, no sulfate and cruelty free. And details are mentioned here. Let's open this up and check this product because I've made many videos on the packaging of the Good Vibes and stuff, and I've spoken a lot about it, so I'm not gonna repeat it once again, and let me skip that part for now and let's jump into the topic directly. So moving ahead, I'm trying to unseal this one. This is how it comes, and always when I try to unseal my package, this happens. So this is one of the disappointing thing I always come across in all of my unboxing of my Good Vibes, which I'm very much disappointed and not happy with. Okay, moving ahead. So oh my god, I have opened this up and this is a lovely creamy stuff within, and this is a scrub. To speak about the aroma, I'm getting a little confused. It's not that, it's kind of herbal kind of an aromatic smell. It smells herbal, and this is the content. This looks very creamy and thick scrub. So the consistency is very thick, very creamy, like you can see, and there are small granules in it. I'll just show you the content. I've taken some of the content here, and this is the content. Very smoothie, very creamy, and small little granules in it. While you scrub, it's not too harsh, but it is apt for its work to be done. So yeah, while I'm scrubbing this over my hand, I can feel that granules which they have added are well sufficient enough in the size that it has to do its work but not harm your skin. So this is a well thought product. On the scrubbing part, I think the texture, it is very light, very much glidable and very thick, and all you have to do is apply on your face and leave it for some time, scrub for some time, and then leave it for better results and wash it off with warm or normal water. So yeah, this was my product review on the Good Vibes lime and basil. Like everybody knows, lime is very good for your skin, so this will help you cleanse your face very easily and take off all your dirt very nicely. And yeah, if anybody has purchased this, and do tell me your opinion on this product. I love this personally, and I shall end my video here with a lovely thumbs up. I shall be back with another video. Until then, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye bye.